What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back for another video. Hope y'all are having a great day today. It's been a little bit, but we are back with another video. So before we get started, I just want to say that we are still 300 subs away from my 5,000 subscriber goal now. I'm going to be pumping out videos in December to try to hit that goal. We're going to be jamming it out, trying to get to that goal. So if you guys aren't already, hit that subscribe button. Got plenty of GTR content coming up as well as some super content. We got a couple of events in December here. It's going to be an awesome month. You don't want to miss it. Now, in today's video, we are going to an event called Ratchet Fridays at Bradenton Motorsports Park. There's going to be a lot of drag racing. We're going to try to convince my friend Jose to drag race his car. It's going to be a good time. Not sure exactly what to expect. Never been there, but I'm going to bring you guys along with me today. If y'all want a quick update on the GTR, honestly, I haven't really done anything to it. That's why you haven't really been seeing too many videos on it. It's just kind of been chilling here, just kind of driving it, enjoying it. Still running good. We still need coilovers. We still need some aero, which I will be working on probably at the beginning of 2020. So more to come with this car. But for right now, there hasn't been too much I've been doing with it. So there hasn't been too many videos on it. Unfortunately, we are not taking this today. We're going to be driving a distance with a lot of people. So we're going to be taking the old daily here. Where are we going?
We're on our way.
Where are we going? We're on our way. That's where we're going.
Wherever we're going, that's where we'll be. That's it. We're going to Ratchet Friday.
Ratchet Fridays. Cheers, mate.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink and drive. We're over here at Ratchet Fridays. Jose's here.
Don't drink and drag, son.
Don't drink and drag. That's a good one. So yeah, we're at Ratchet Fridays here at Bradenton Motorsports. Drag racing. So we got lots of stuff here, guys. All right, let's check it out. Oh, something happened.
And that Corvette, that was violent.
That was violent. Go race the Tiburon. Show us that you can run better than a 15-second quarter mile.
Ooh, give it 13.6.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh man. Oh man. We may or may not have convinced Jose to take the Tiburon drag racing. Oh Jesus. We're taking bets on what it's gonna run. I say,
got this.
What do you say? What is it gonna run?
I don't know, I'll give him 14.8 at best.
14.8 at best? I'm saying he's a 15.2. He's a 15.2. Looks like we just had a serious crash over here. There's a bunch of cops. We've got an ambulance, a couple fire trucks. Really long line to get in now. And they just landed a helicopter over there to airlift somebody out of here, which is pretty crazy. Everyone is crowded around this area. Wow. Not cool. I think somebody's in pretty bad shape for them to bring in a helicopter. Helicopter. Over there. I think Jose may be going up against a Hellcat. Yeah. Rip. We're getting let's get our spot, Elliot. I think it was right here, good. We get the takeoff. That thing is loud. I still say we give him the moment of silence. Jose, what have you gotten yourself into, my friend? He's all hyped up on racing, and then he's like, you know what? I'm gonna get in there. I'm gonna win.
And then he's against the
Hellcat. So
maybe.
Hellcat breaks an axle.
Yeah.
Loses a wheel.
He's got a helmet
Jose's
on, so
got
something
this.
might happen.
Something might happen. But hey, those R33 wheels look pretty good on there, eh? So, 23.5.
So something happened, obviously.
I don't think anything happened. I think that was a perfect run. Jose, something happened, man. Gotta let us know.
Yeah. I feel like an ass. We put him against a Hellcat. He was already discouraged. He was like, what the hell am I gonna do here?
I don't know, he spun real bad and then it went all downhill from there. So I don't know what happened, but I mean, he should have raced, like this is where he should have been racing. He's got the Jetta and the Chevy, like little car.
That's where we wanted it.
This is where we wanted you, Jose, but that's not happened. They paired you up with a Hellcat, so. What the hell happened?
No grip whatsoever.
23.5?
You slipped all the time.
No, I wasn't grabbing. I had me on 4th gear and still.
I smell a lot of clutch.
Yeah, no. What?
Yeah, no, what?
I was off the clutch.
Dude, I did not
I think your
expect
clutch
you
is
to go
slipping.
against a Hellcat your first round.
I think your clutch is slipping.
What are your thoughts?
So what's your new goal now? Like 19.5?
You know what?
What are your thoughts on racing a Hellcat for your first time?
Yeah, you got a Hellcat. I mean, you almost had him.
Dude,
I never-
were
When you
this
came back
close.
this way, you almost had him.
You were
You're
this
right behind
close.
him. Round 2. Jose's got this.
You better go. Yeah,
Maybe.
maybe.
But see, now it's going. See, now he's good. Sadly, my camera battery is dying, so I'm not going to be able to film any more of this. But he did better. He did better. I'll catch you guys tomorrow with the update, right before my camera battery dies because it's flashing red. I will see
Who
you
comes out
tomorrow.
to film without a camera?
The next day.
Well, good morning, everybody. Am I in focus? Am I in focus? So my camera battery actually died, so we missed Jose's second run of the night. We did determine that his clutch was indeed slipping. Looks like he's going to need a new one. It looks like the track was just too sticky, and he was just flooring it, and it wasn't going anywhere, burning up the clutch. So that led to his amazing run of 20, I think it was 21 seconds. So yeah, that's drag racing at its finest right there. It may be the slowest drag race we've ever witnessed. Let me know in the comment section below. Yeah. But the good news is I just had the interior seats here of the GTR all cleaned. Look at how nice these things look. Brand new. Got that seat all clean. I got the mats all clean. So GTR is looking pretty good. So, you know, that's on the plus side. So everybody, I think that's going to effectively end today's video. We have a lot more content coming up on the channel, including the open house for Adam LZ, which should be a blast. It was awesome last year. We're going to be meeting up with my friend and his Supra, doing some stuff with that. He's just finished building his MK4 Supra. It's going to be awesome. So, like I said before, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already. Thank you for tuning in today's video. Drop a comment in the comment section below. And as usual, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Bye.